Alright guys, welcome back. So I think this is probably day 2 or 3 of the renovation, and I'm going to show you kind of where we're at, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got baseboards ripped out, all on the main floor in the basement. We got the walls wiped as well, all the walls wiped in here, and it looks a lot better already. But, you know, we got paint. We've also taped off the windows and stuff. It's hard to see because I'm pointing right outside. All of it taped up. I didn't film the cleaning of the walls or taping it up because that's kind of, it's really slow and kind of boring. I could have taped some of ripping off the molding, but that's alright. Again, all over there, it's looking a lot better. The walls are looking a little bit brighter and fresh and stuff like that. We didn't worry about getting all the marks off. We just wanted the dirty stuff off the wall. So probably tomorrow or something, we're going to probably go around and try and patch some of these holes up as best we can. Tape job all over there, just to make sure to protect the countertop, or the countertops and the cabinets and whatnot. Yeah, so let's walk through. Taped up all this stuff, all over here, ripped out the baseboards, taped up everywhere. You can kind of see the green tape all the way down. And again, we didn't film this because it's pretty dry, not a lot going on. My wife's been doing a really good job of wiping all the walls down, and it looks fantastic. We're getting some stuff out, like we got some of the shelving out because that's not going to go back in. This door looked just like garbage. It was trash. Pretty much, it looked like all right here, all over the door. She's doing a really good job. It's looking really good. And we got the washer and dryer out. Everything's pretty much wiped down in here, ready for paint, or soon to be. Get in here, we're going to paint that, but we'll probably have to take the mirror off the wall if it's not glued. Yeah, I think they probably glued it. So what we'll do is we'll just tape up around that, and light fixture and stuff. Take this off. Alright, we're going to get a new doorbell, and we've put LED lights all throughout the house. Alright, upstairs. All this carpet's going to be taken out, and I think that's coming out Tuesday. And this is some of the, again, the condition of the walls and stuff like that, that look like downstairs. It's quite dirty. You guys can see that very well. But it's pretty dirty, it's very dull, and then we got to fix up all of this damage. Got to do some wall fixing. Up here, all the carpet's coming out, baseboard will come out, walls will be wiped down. I'll back up so you can see everything. Yeah, walls will be all wiped down. Fireplace, we're going to do that mantle where it's green. I'll bring you in a bit. Yeah, this whole mantle here where it's all green, we're going to put that back white because I think it looks a lot better. Alright, try to keep our backs to the light. And yeah, got to get that green stuff up there. See those 2 little dots? Make sure all this is wiped down as best we can because there is a ton of writing and other stuff on the wall. Lots of writing. You can even see it in the carpets. Maybe I can back up and get a better shot here. Yeah, you can see the carpets are all drawn on and spills and everything else. All new carpet up here, getting rid of it. And yeah, just a common theme throughout the house like we've said before. We're going to be starting to tape off. I've already started with some tape, but we're going to start taping off all the windows, door frames, stuff like that. Getting ready for paint. That'll probably happen sometime next week. As long as we get a lot of the walls fixed and stuff like that, because there's a lot of holes in the walls, lots of little pinholes and stuff. We just want to make sure it's all repaired and fresh and new again. All right. Bedroom number 1. Yeah, we're just going to tape off everything. Probably put this back on if we can. It should just be a screw. Yeah, we're just going to tape everything off and we're going to repaint it. But I will show me painting, even though it's kind of boring. We're going to make sure we get that in the video, because at least you're going to see some progress versus me just doing updates and updates, and it's a little bit more interesting. So hopefully these borders will come off. If hopefully it's not glued, because then we can come off real easy. We don't need this in the bedroom. Probably somebody had used this as an office one time, and I would assume they would have been painted white. But since it's a bedroom and we don't need to have any chair rail, because that's basically what it is, chair rail, and we don't need any wainscoting or anything like that done in here, we'll just rip that out and call that a day. And obviously paint it and whatnot, but we got some pinholes and stuff we got to take care of. For paint, and we might as well prep it up good. All right, so yeah, I'm pretty excited, guys. This is going to be a pretty good build. Oh, we didn't show this. LED lights, I said throughout the house. I think we missed this bathroom and a couple other little spots, but pretty much we're almost there. So we gutted this bathroom. We're going to be probably putting toilet and stuff back in, new floors. We haven't decided on what it is yet. Probably most likely tile, just because it's a little more water resilient. And new vanity. We're going to do new light fixtures. Obviously new paint. Tape it and paint it. And that should be fairly it for this. Probably put a curtain across there or something. So yeah, we got to match the subfloor of this, the height, and we'll get that done. Might even cut some of that out around there. Yeah, so that's going to be garbage. Okay, master bedroom. So obviously we got carpets that are disarray. We got some drawn on the walls. We got a hole over here. A hole. Like, this wasn't even where the bed was, but there's a hole. You know, bed was over there. I expect a hole over there, but no. Yeah, so we'll patch that somehow. We'll probably cut that all out, grab it, and patched up. Again, paint all through here. We're going to light gray throughout the house. No two different colors, because it just makes life easy. Baseboards all ripped out. It's going to be taped for that. Carpet's all going to be ripped out. Yeah, look at this. Like, I think I've probably shown it. I filmed this place many times for different reasons, and but I can't remember if I got this. But yeah, it's just filthy, guys. Inside the closet. So I haven't decided. Probably we'll just keep all this stuff in here because it makes life easy for me. But we'll pop out some of the stuff so we can get in here and paint it. And then we'll change the baseboard because it's hard to tell. No light bulb or no light in there. The baseboard's the same color as the walls, and we are going to paint the baseboards white. Actually, we're ripping those baseboards out, so that will be white. But up here, I'm probably going to paint that white so that we have some contrast, and it's not just going right into the wall, to the ceiling, you know, like, just looks better. All right, bathroom. Going to be doing new floors in here, most likely tile, I would imagine. Again, wipe the walls down, prep for paint. We got a whole bunch of little dots and stuff on the wall. I don't know what those are. Stickers of some sort. Maybe it was to hold something. I don't know, but it's got to come out. Shower's going to stay the same. Probably new light fixture there, new light fixture there, and probably if I can't get this fixed, new faucet. Yep, new faucet most likely. I'm gonna try and fix that one, but if not, then new faucet. But in here, yeah, it's not a whole lot of stuff. Just baseboard ripped out and a couple little spots, but that's it. What else do we have? Oh, we gotta replace some fire alarms and stuff like that, smoke detectors. So yeah, that's gonna be the journey, I think, guys. I know I got a mask on my head, but looking a little crazy. But that's gonna be the journey, guys. So we're gonna do a whole lot of work. We're gonna get new carpets. We're gonna get a carpet company to come in and do that because I don't know how to do it. I don't have the tools to do it, and if I mess it up, then it's my fault, and I don't want it to be my fault. So carpet, I want to make sure it's done right, done by a professional, and I'll do the laminate and stuff in the basement and downstairs. Most likely in the basement, since there could be water leaks or could something happen in the future. We want to try and protect the floor as best as possible. So most likely we're going to put a dimple flooring, maybe even some subfloor down, and then we're going to put our laminate on top of that. If not, then we're just going to do the dimples and put the laminate on top, as long as we find the right dimple plastic mat that will allow for laminate to go on top of it. So that's basically where we're sitting for the house. And we will keep doing updates and hopefully get a little more action here shortly. Hopefully Tuesday, I have my brother-in-law coming to give me a hand, ripping some stuff out. In the basement we got a bathroom, so maybe he'll be okay with me just putting this on in the background and just kind of filming. It won't be in depth of me like getting right in there, but might be just an overview of all the stuff, and yeah, so it should be good. Alright guys, so that's it for today's little episode, and I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget, never stop learning.